Elon Musk isn't just changing industries, he's creating new ones. As a matter of fact, he is rewriting the rules. It's no secret that his investment bets have the potential to reshape industries. And if you catch on early, it could be your biggest wealth opportunity. It might just change your future too. The burning question is, will you get in early or miss out? In this video, we will reveal Elon Musk's most ambitious investment strategies for the next decade. From AI to space, we will break it down where he's putting his billions, why it's happening now, and how you can position yourself before the masses catch on. Most investors will miss this opportunity. But if you want to stay ahead of the game and build generational wealth, then understanding Musk's investment vision is key. So, make sure to stick around till the end. This could be your ticket to financial freedom. If we take a look at the quick recap of Elon Musk's winning bets, then there are a few names that pretty much dominate his portfolio. We all know about Tesla and SpaceX, but there are Neuralink and the Boring Company as well. And of course, we cannot forget about his iconic takeover of Twitter. Now, based on emerging trends and insights from recent reports, there is one sector that stands out, and that is artificial intelligence and AI-driven automation. If we take a look back, it is apparent that Elon Musk's relationship with AI has always been confusing. While he has found astounding success in the area, his relationship with AI has also been complex at times. When he co-founded OpenAI in 2015 to ensure that AI developed and remained safe, people were pretty excited to see how Elon Musk played a role in the AI industry. But then he shocked everyone when he distanced himself due to concerns about its trajectory. Coming back to the present, we have Musk's xAI now, his latest AI venture that is going to challenge OpenAI and Google's DeepMind by creating AI systems aligned with human interests. Of course, the potential applications of AI are vast, from autonomous robotics to enhancing Tesla's full self-driving capabilities. There is nothing that it can't do. And fortunately, that is exactly what Musk wants to do. He envisions AI integration into every facet of human life, from day-to-day operations to revolutionizing industries. He wants it to be integrated into everything. Now that Tesla has been mentioned, let's talk about AI's integration into Tesla really quickly. Most people associate Tesla primarily with electric cars, but very few realize that its real value lies in AI. The self-driving technology, which is powered by AI and neural networks, is improving tenfold over time. We are looking at a potential future where Tesla vehicles will operate as autonomous robot taxis, literally generating revenue while their owners are sleeping. Musk has repeatedly stated that Tesla's AI and robotics division might be more valuable than its automotive business. A few years ago, we may not have believed this, but now, with the development of Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, it's pretty evident that Musk is doubling down on AI-powered automation. From what we've seen, Optimus is capable of performing repetitive, labor-intensive tasks and can potentially replace human workers in industries like manufacturing and logistics. With labor shortages and increased automation, the global demand for robots is pretty high. And bringing in a Tesla design will definitely take the industry to the next level. Not to forget, the Tesla Dojo Supercomputer is also a critical piece of this puzzle. Dojo was mainly built to train Tesla AI models on an unprecedented scale. So, once developed completely, it will make Tesla not just a car company, but a leader in AI infrastructure as well. This is just a blurred picture of how powerful Tesla can be with AI. Tesla can even license its AI training capabilities to other companies. And because we are in a time where the world is increasingly becoming more AI dependent, this can open a massive new revenue stream for the company. Since we are talking about Elon Musk's investments, we can't forget about Neuralink. It is yet another cornerstone of his long-term investment vision. By developing brain-computer interfaces, Neuralink aims to create direct communication pathways between humans and AI. Trust me when I say that the potential here is staggering. These brain-computer interfaces have the power to revolutionize medicine completely. From helping paralyzed individuals gain movement to restoring lost vision, this development can do wonders for the industry. But that's not all. Neuralink aligns with Musk's goals beyond medical applications as well. We know how he intends to ensure that humans can keep pace with AI advancements. Well, Neuralink can help Elon Musk attain exactly that. Can you imagine what would happen when artificial intelligence overtakes human intelligence? Yes, it's going to change the whole world. Musk believes that a neural interface can be the key to human AI collaboration. Now imagine if this actually works out, we would literally be able to integrate with AI instead of competing with it directly. Let's not forget my favorite feature of the brain-computer interfaces. The idea that it's going to redefine communication is so exciting. We'll be able to send our thoughts and ideas to our loved ones without even speaking or typing. There was a time when even the idea of AI used to baffle us, but look at us now. We are already living in the age of AI, and it's just the beginning because AI is only going to dominate our lives more in the future. It has the power to disrupt and manage our social interactions, education, and even our work environments. Of course, there is a link between SpaceX and AI as well. Since AI systems are becoming more advanced, they will require immense computing power in the near future. Now, we know that the space satellite network has already provided global internet coverage, so it's safe to assume that its next generation satellites can be optimized for AI data transactions and processing. We know that SpaceX is already leveraging AI for rocket landings, and if the company sets its sights on Mars, as Elon Musk is planning, AI will be playing a role in managing autonomous space habitats. What we are waiting to see is one of the biggest competitive plays in the next decade. As we move on to an AI-dominated time, the rivalry between xAI and OpenAI is only becoming more prominent. And although OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini are dominating the AI landscape today, Musk is determined to create a more transparent and user-controlled AI system. We've seen a little sneak peek of xAI with its first product, Grok. Since it's already been integrated into X, which was formerly Twitter, it leverages real-time social media data to provide up-to-date AI responses. It's obvious that Musk intends to stay within the circle of computer power, robotics, and neural interfaces. So, his next major investments are likely to revolve around these sectors only. As Musk is targeting these areas, companies involved in AGI manufacturing, quantum computing, and cloud AI processing can massively benefit from Elon Musk's skills, Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, and artificial general intelligence actions. As an investor, you should run, not walk, and invest in stocks that Elon Musk is interested in. The first one, of course, is Tesla stock, because if Tesla succeeds with AI integration and launches the robo-taxis, then the valuation is literally going to skyrocket. Keep an eye on AI chip makers like NVIDIA and AMD. You can also benefit from companies working on brain-computer interfaces because as Neuralink progresses, these companies might hit new records. If these ventures progress as expected, they could collectively be worth trillions of dollars literally within the decade. Tesla's full self-driving capability could make the company worth over $5 trillion alone. The global automation market is expected to exceed $500 billion by the year 2030. So there is potential that Optimus could become a leader in industrial and personal robotics. It is crazy how something that was laughed upon a few years ago has become such an integral part of our lives. While Elon Musk has made headlines with Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, his biggest bet for the next decade is AI. From Tesla's autonomous driving, to xAI's artificial general intelligence, to Neuralink's brain interfaces, Musk is positioning himself at the forefront of the AI revolution. Whether it's AI, space, or something even bigger, Elon Musk's moves could redefine wealth for the next 10 years. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay in the loop and never miss out on any of our videos. Subscribe now! See you in the next video.